Want to automate your Shopify import and export tasks? With StoreRobo, you can easily schedule them to run at a specific date and time or repeat automatically at regular intervals. First, let's schedule an export. From your Shopify admin panel, go to Apps, open StoreRobo. Under the Export section, choose Shopify CSV, then click Proceed. Now, configure the export data based on your requirements. Once everything is set, click the Schedule button. A scheduling pop-up will appear. Here, choose the date and time under Schedule On. To make the export repeat automatically, enable Repeat Every and select the required interval. For example, you can set it to repeat every 2 days. Once done, click Schedule Now. The export action is now scheduled. Next, let's schedule an import. Under the Import section, choose the import file and select the required data type. Then, configure the import filters and options as needed. After that, click Schedule. In the pop-up, choose the date and time for the import under Schedule On. To repeat the import automatically, enable Repeat Every and set the interval, such as every 2 days. Then click Schedule. Once scheduled, both import and export actions will be listed on the Scheduled Jobs page. From here, you can view all scheduled actions, edit them if needed, or choose to pause or cancel a scheduled process. And that's how you schedule automatic Shopify imports and exports using StoreRobo. Thanks for watching.